Welcome back. There are dues worth almost 5.5 crores from groundwater users in North Goa itself. State government has admitted this before the High Court in its report in a matter pertaining to the groundwater supply system in North Goa, but the petitioner has challenged state figures, saying the government's data isn't actual and will actually be much more. The High Court has directed the Chief Secretary to file a reply on the recovery of these areas.
The matter on the groundwater supply system in the North Goa came up before the High Court on Monday. Executive Engineer of PWD has filed an affidavit saying, in North Goa 2000 wells have been registered as domestic and irrigation wells. There are 149 wells registered as commercial and industrial wells. In last 5 years, 682 new wells have registered. 263 water tankers have been registered with North Goa RTO with details of source of water. Government has admitted that 5 crores 33 lakh rupees is due from the groundwater users in North Goa and 1 crore 55 lakhs have been recovered till date. Petitioner Suresh Kamath contended that government has failed to assess real arrears. Petitioner also contended that there is no way to collect all arrears as there is no proper data available. The High Court has directed the Chief Secretary to file a reply by 12 January on the mechanism to recover these arrears. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
PCR cops of Bicholi police station foiled possible housebreaking attempt. Two suspects first filled the petrol in stolen car and escaped from a petrol pump at Amona. After receiving a call, PCR staff chased the car. Both the suspects succeeded to flee, but they had to abandon their car. Later, police found some articles that were supposedly using for housebreaking.
कल शाम को एक गाड़ी आया पेट्रोल पंप पे और पेट्रोल डलवाया पूरा ऑलमोस्ट 2000 रुपीज़ का और पेट्रोल डलवा करके वो गाड़ी को एक्सीलेटर दबा के लेके चला गया। इमीडिएटली उसका अप्रिशिएट करना पड़ेगा पेट्रोल पंप वाले का भी, उसने इमीडिएटली 100 नंबर पर कॉल किया एंड देन पुलिस ने इमीडिएटली रिएक्शन दिया और पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम में विथिन मिनट्स इमीडिएटली इन्फॉर्म किया। हमारा जो PCR वैन था रॉबर्ट 27 उसने उसका पीछा किया तो वो ओवरटेक भी किया, लेकिन वो गाड़ी उसने रोका और फिर वापस एक्सीलेटर दे दिया और देन PCR 27 ने फिर रॉबर्ट 28 को इन्फॉर्म किया। वो आगे गाड़ी खड़ा था मापसा साइड में, उसको भी इन्फॉर्म किया तो दोनों गाड़ियाँ पीछा किया और हमारा पुलिस स्टेशन के स्टाफ ने भी पीछा किया और अल्टीमेटली दे ट्रेस द व्हीकल। और लेकिन व्हीकल का जो ऑक्यूपेंट थे, दो लड़के सस्पेक्टेड थे, वो दे रन अवे एंड डिसअपियर बिकॉज थोड़ा डार्क हो गया था। व्हीकल को रोड साइड में पार कर दिया उन्होंने एंड उसके बाद में गाड़ी की सर्चिंग की, तलाशी ली तो उसमें कुछ हाउस ब्रेकिंग के इक्विपमेंट मिले हैं विच शोज़ के ये लड़के जो हैं शायद यहाँ पर कोई बड़ा क्राइम करने के लिए आए थे गोवा साइड में। व्हीकल बाद में वेरीफाई किया, गोवा का नंबर प्लेट लगा रखा था, बट वेरिफिकेशन करने से पता लगा कि ये गाड़ी महाराष्ट्र की चोरी की हुई गाड़ी है।
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has said that anti-terrorist squad is fully functional in the state. He has also said that strengthened with 110 personnel, Goa ATS has been divided in 3 wings: intelligence, technical and investigation.
गोव्यात एंटी-टेररिस्ट स्क्वॅड 110 पर्सनलांचो केला। 110 पर्सनल, 3 विंग्स, इंटेलिजन्स विंग, टेक्निकल विंग आणि ऑपरेशनल विंग अशे 3 विंगांनी 110 जाणांक ट्रेनिंगाक धाडलेले।
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Now, Sunburn and Supersonic are in court of Goa Police. Tourism Minister Dilip Parwekar says if Goa Police gives its NOC, then both the events will be held simultaneously.
Goa will host Sunburn and Supersonic in last week of December, but is state ready to host the event? Tourism Minister Dilip Parwekar says that events are permitted by the government as they have complied all the rules and regulations. However, providing security is a major issue. Now the ball is in the court of Goa Police.
पुलिसांचे जे कोण हेड आहात DIG, IG जे कोण आसात पळय तेंच्यांनी जर आमकां हे तेंचे नो ऑब्जेक्शन दिले जाल्यार दोनूय जे इव्हेंट आहा सनबर्न इन वागाथोर आणि सुपरसोनिक जो इव्हेंट आहा तो कांदोली दोन्ही इव्हेंट जातले। फक्त पुलिसेचेर डिपेंड आहा, पुलिसेन फक्त हय म्हणपाक जाय।
When questioned, Inspector General of Goa Police Sunil Garg informed Prudent that they have not received any official communication from the government till now. Miki Pacheco says both festivals should be at different dates.
They should give permission different timing, different dates also altogether, where win-win situation. Let the event management also make money. Let the Goa government, Goa people also. There are people who basically live on day-to-day business on those coastal areas.
Meanwhile, Bombay High Court, revising its earlier order, has directed Sunburn organizers to file defamation suit against NCP leader Trajano De Mello in Goa itself. Sunburn organizer company Percept had filed a defamation suit claiming 50 crore rupees. Percept Limited in its suit had contended that Trajano De Mello's defamatory statement against its popular electronic dance music festival Sunburn. Petitioner Percept Limited has also contended that the defamatory statement was published in a Goan English daily and the article was accessible in Mumbai on newspaper's website. Earlier, the Bombay High Court had admitted the petition of Percept Limited. Trajano De Mello in its reply contended that the newspaper is only circulated in the state of Goa and its website server is also in Goa. Considering arguments of Trajano De Mello, the Bombay High Court has revised its earlier order. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.